Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. Step 1. Before you start, gather all your materials. You'll need the OSMO DASHCAM Pro unit, the mounting bracket, the adhesive pads, the USB power cable, and the instruction manual. Make sure you have a clean microfiber cloth ready to wipe down your dashboard. Step 2. Clean your windshield area thoroughly. Use the microfiber cloth to remove any dust, dirt, or residue from the spot where you plan to mount the camera. This ensures the adhesive will stick properly and your dashcam won't fall. Step 3. Position the mounting bracket on your windshield. Find a spot that gives you a clear view of the road ahead without obstructing your vision. Most people place it near the rearview mirror. Once you've found the right spot, apply the adhesive pad to the bracket. Step 4. Attach the OSMO DASHCAM Pro to the mounting bracket. Slide the camera into the bracket until it clicks into place. You can adjust the angle to capture the perfect view of the road. Step 5. Connect the power cable and route it properly. Plug the USB cable into the camera, then run it along the headliner down to your power source. You can use your car's USB port or a power adapter. Once everything is connected, test the camera to make sure it's recording.